So today we're going to talk a little bit about going to the toilet. So you can pretty much see what I've done here. So normally you could take your H structure and you can stretch it out, move your two support beams, support beam 1, support beam 2, move them out to make it wider if you need to. You're going to split the length that you need. You're going to take support beam 1, support beam 2, once they're set in a place where you need to, and you're going to stake them into the ground like a tent stake. Makes them good and sturdy. Then you can lash your support beam 3 right here on using square knots, square lashing. I usually do mine with a kind of a mixture of a square lash and a large head knot. And then the fourth part of this is finding something to prop up your end there. So a down log works really great, or if you had to, you could do another H structure that will hold your weight, and you can make it adjustable on how you need it to be. After that, dig your cat hole down here deep enough so that you can bury your waist, and you have yourself a primitive camp toilet. So like, share, subscribe as always. Stay safe, stay free, stay armed, and I will talk to you guys next time.